birthing clinic sa bawat munisipyo. Para sa gano'n, every woman, every pregnant woman has access to a sterile birthing facility. Less ang kanyang chances of dying from childbirth. Kayo mga nurses, alam niyo yan. The real reason of why mothers die from childbirth is not the lack of birth control, kung hindi, kakulangan ng sterile birthing facilities. Now, those are just a few examples. We can go on and on about how the 3 billion pesos to be spent. Ayaw, baka may mas magandang ideas pa kayo. Just let us know. And the third principle that we stand on, kaming siya, is very simple. Nakita na po natin in TV, sa dyaryo, sa Kongreso, sa Senado, this RH bill has been very divisive to our party. Nag-aaway ng mga senador, ng mga congressman, ang simbahan, inaaway din ng mga tao. Dahil dito sa RH bill, it continues to divide us, our party. And we believe that we should concentrate on what unites us rather than what divides us. And what does unite us? What unites us is the love for the Philippines. Tayong lahat gusto natin mas maginawang buhay. Tayong lahat po gusto natin makapag-graduate ng maayos, makahanap ng trabaho sa abroad man o dito. Tayong lahat gusto natin when we start our families, maganda ang kinabukasan na ating anak. We all want the same things. But we, the 9 of us, don't believe that the RH bill will get us any closer to fulfilling our dreams. Kami yung iniwala. Walang shortcut sa buhay. If you want to succeed in life, you work hard. If you want to be an honor student, you study hard. If you want our country to progress, you invest on the right programs. Education, jobs, livelihood, and healthcare. Yun po ang aming pag-iiwan. And I hope, kami po yung nagpunta ngayon dito, kasama nito, ng iyak. Kami po ay umaasa na kayo po ay tutulong sa amin. Sana po makita ninyo. In fact, we're not here to change your mindset. We're just here to challenge you to think. Sino dito ang walang boyfriend or bakit naniligaw sa inyo? O yung mga babae, di ba pag kami naniligaw sa inyo, bakit yung sagutin? Titignan niyo muna, titignan-isin niyo muna, lolokohin ba ako ito? Binubola ng tao? O hindi? Di ba bago niyo sagutin ang isang maniligaw ninyo? Tatanungin niyo muna sa kaibigan ninyo, tingin mo, okay ba siya? Cute ba? O hindi? Sa tingin mo, mahal ba niya ako talaga? O di para naman siya? Sana when it comes to this RH bill, pinag-isip nyo find out what really is good for your future, what really is good for your family, and what really is good for your country. Yun naman po ang aming gusto iwan. And if you agree with us, kung kayo naman ay sumasang-ayon sa aming pananaw, na ito ay hindi makakatulog, please help us. The 9 of us are only 9 voices in Congress. These 9 voices cannot possibly educate or mold the minds of millions of Filipinos. We hope you can help us spread the word, spread the challenge to think about this. Pag-isipan ninyo, dahil may klase nyo rin. Maraming salamat.